Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, let's okay. Let's. Thank you very much, Mo. Thank you. A freestyle? You want a freestyle? Singles and not home. There we go. Dave? Meh. No, same thing as yesterday. We're just gonna stream for a bit and then go back to Discord. Stream a little bit and then go back. You're feeling jazzy? Anyways, good morning, guys. Sponge, good morning. Dave, good morning. Jay, good morning. Two J's, good morning. Good morning, Mo. The kids, good morning. Hello, hello. Hello. Last week it had a fake up. Good morning, Street Vibes. I am okay. Street Vibes, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, I know. Just it usually takes a few days to to get over rubbish. So you just kind of go through the waves. You know what I mean? So good morning, Bunny. Alan, good morning. Good morning, John. Good morning. We have a whole bunch of pump and dumps, like rallies and then sell-offs. But I think the craziest one so far this morning is zero. Zero? Zero. Zero. Thank you, Annette. Good morning. Yeah, this one. So these guys had news early this morning. Obviously, it closed at $2.55. That thing went from 2.55. Like it wasn't very long, was it? $2.55 all the way to 28.50. It took like 3 minutes, and it was up 1,000% already. Thank you, thank you, Marie. Thank you. Right? Isn't that crazy? 2.55 to $28, 3 minutes. If you FOMOed into that, you had to sell really quickly, because yup, very 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 lucky. Now it's selling off though, so be careful. Be very careful. I hope this thing gives us some more rallies as we get into the open though. So give us some more rallies, please, and thank you. Leave that one up. APVO. These guys had news not too long ago, and it's popping now. So that looks nice. I think I can see the pumpers on social media pumping it up. I think. Yeah. So yeah, just be careful. The spread is also ridiculous. Ask 930, bid $9, 876, right? So it's like it can move really quickly. Yeah, Gail, very nice. Uh, how is it possible with such low volume? It's possible in pre-market. I mean, think about it, Bunny. Like some of these SPACs, right? SPACs go up 500% on 100,000 shares. How's that possible, right? So low float, crazy spread, boom skis. So it depends. Uh, yes. No, yeah, Gail nailed this one. He bought in at $10. He FOMOed at $10 and then sold in the 20s. So that was really quick, Gail. Really, really quick. And don't really bother looking at the news, honestly, because it really doesn't mean much, right? We don't really care what they've done. Um, honestly, right? If you need to know what the news is, it's in Discord in the breaking news channel. All of this stuff should be posted in there. But other than that, a lot of it is just pump and dumps. You secure your monies and you move on really quickly. Otherwise, you end up holding bags, right? So No bag holding, please, and thank you. Let's see if this thing can dip all the way to $10 or just retest at the 200 EMA, consolidate, and then go back up. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Good morning, Justin. Good morning. Smash a like, hit that subscribe, blah blah blah. Share the link as well. And yeah. Um, like nothing's changed about DWAC Jim. Lynn, good morning. Good morning, Freebo. Well, at least to my knowledge, nothing's changed. The company still has to do, for the structure to change, they actually have to do the business combination. So they haven't done anything. They keep messing around. So yeah, the difference back then though was, it had all the hype and it was a brand new stock. Now you have bank holders and options and this and that. There's a whole bunch of stuff. So, Amber, good morning. Hi, hi. Yeah, so let's see if that thing can consolidate. Other than Gale, though, anybody else play with this thing? Let me know, because that was a run. Again, this is why we keep saying, if you're not in Discord, you're truly missing out, because this stuff happens quickly, right? Gale is paid for his membership, right? So even though he FOMOed at $10, right, from 255, he FOMOed at $10, and still doubled his monies in the 20s, right? That was quick, 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 quick. So now it almost seems like it's looking for a bit of support at 12. Even though we wanted to dip to the 200, it seems to be finding a bit of a base there. Let's make some money, please, Jason. At least for a little bit, and then we go back to Discord. Before going back, yeah, I think the only problem now with DWAC is it's no longer a $10 stock; it's a $50 stock, right? That's the only issue with that thing. Let me look at DWAC. DWACs. Yeah, it's a 41 now, right? So I think that's my only concern with it. It's I think with all the Trump hype is if this thing was $10, it would be pumping 100% easily, easily, easily. Yo 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 Mo, happy Thursday. Yeah, Litz is still pumping. Yeah, Litz was a really good one from last night. So congratulations if you played with this thing, because I know a whole bunch of you guys did. Right? So Lit came back to 680, 670, 660 in that demand zone and then popped to Bunny. So Bunny's been posting this one a few times in Discord this morning. Your next resistance will be if you look to the left hand side, right? So honestly, anywhere in the supply zone, right? So the closer you get to 950, the more cautious you should be with this name. So it looks really good though. My goodness, look at that thing. That thing said 950. Get that rubbish out of here. Look at that, right? So it's retesting those highs now. I'm gonna zoom in. My voice kind of sounds better today. Yeah, I think at least the headache is kind of like not as bad as it was yesterday. I took a whole bunch of stuff. Like, you know what? I need to sleep. I really need to sleep. I took a whole bunch of stuff, and then I still woke up at like still woke up at like in the middle of the night. Like, what the hell is this rubbish? I want to be sleeping. Unbelievable. That thing is on fire. My goodness. Just like that, it broke out and said, "Oops, $11." Look at that, 345%. Isn't it crazy though? Like we keep joking about this. Like, isn't it crazy how when we have a pumper, the entire week there hasn't been. I know today's what, Thursday. Thursday, right? There hasn't been a day this week that something hasn't gone up well over like 200%. Has there? No, right? So as soon as one thing goes, everything else says, "Okay, this is what we want to do this week. Send it." Funny, right? Not funny, but cool. Yeah, we had 1,000% runner yesterday. This morning we had 1,000% runner already. So this one is up 350%. So crazy, 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 crazy. Yup, yup, yup. Look at these runs. Very nice runs. So 2 straight days, 2,000% runners. So, anyways, Anyways, again, if you're not a member yet in Discord, you're missing out because both of these 1000% runners were in Discord. So come join us in Discord. I did. I should have just bought that damn thing, Vance, because we talked about it quite a bit yesterday because of Mets. Just sent it. Just sent it. No, Vance, crazy. Yeah, no, good job, Gail. NEXI. Yeah, no, so the reason we keep talking about NEXI is because the last time Mets moved, it moved with NEXI. So then we started watching this one. And, I think, yeah, Vance and I were talking about it, and it just sat there, and it sat there, and it sat there, and it sat there. And then it broke out. And then it just started creeping up, and creeping up, and creeping up. And here it is now, right? Up 24%. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. The good thing though, Vance, is that the chart actually looked nice. And then it broke out at the end of the day. Like that break at the end of the day should have been a sign. Whenever you see stuff breaking at the end of the day, it's like clearly what they want to do. Right? It's a message. We are buying or holding up into the close. That's always a good thing. Right? So it's not one of those that's crashing at the end of the day. It's actually like breaking the highs of the day and it's closing above that at the end. That's a really good thing. Right? So APM is breaking down. Yeah, those guys had too many pumpies. Too many pumpies. I'm bagging that in the sixes. Okay, good. Not a bag no more. It's not a bag anymore. It's monies now. So congrats. Congratulations. Well done. Yeah, oh my home. I keep wanting to call it oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my home has a little bit of momentum. Just hype on the social medias. This thing though needs to break above $1. I like that it's holding $1 for now, but if you're looking for a brand new position, I would want to see that thing clear $1.10 first. Oh my home. Looks like zero bounced off $12, guys. Right? So 12 to 13, 13.40-ish. That's not too bad, is it? And what? In thrust. To slide. To the left. To the right. When? Go. 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 Scoot, scoot. To the window. To the wall. When? To the sun. At night. Make monies. Anyways, Gail, that was your position. Congratulations. Well done. Yeah, you're hitting a supply zone there now, so you should be careful anyways. Alrighty? Good job. Good jobs. Yeah, it was. La 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 la. Oh yeah, Bunny was spamming that thing in Discord for lids. It's going to $10. Well, Bunny, it hit $10. Congratulations, amazing, amazing shout. Look at that, it's going again. 1060. Still in that supply zone though, so be careful. But yeah, nice, very very nice. Cells is moving a little bit. Let me take a look. Yeah, we need some proper consolidation here today into the open, so we can find some good plays. We need some good plays, some consolidated plays. Cells. Freedom, blessings to you as well. Yeah, that thing had a nice little pop there. I think they had news. Oh yeah, they had news, and then it just said thank you. Pop 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 pop. The spread for some of these are crazy scary, but so they announced that announces FDA. Anyways, sometimes you read these headlines and you're like, okay, that's cool, I guess, but price action is king. Alrighty, price action is king. So the whole idea behind having a catalyst, anyways, is so you can have the thing move. So if it's moving, follow the price action. Forget about everything else. Alrighty, focus. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, the spread on this is still pretty scary. Ask 620 bit 570. So it's all over the place. Are you asking because Daniel? Give me the details. Spill the beans. Are you asking because you're in it and you're trying to decide what to do? Are you asking because you're looking for an entry? Um, give me the actual question, please and thank you. Zero said, "Excuse me, drop to the abyss." So maybe now we can finally test the 200 and see what happens at the bottom there. We have 13 minutes left before the market opens. Good morning, Chapman. LYT is still failing in that supply zone, so that's not a big surprise. Not a huge surprise. Not a huge surprise. La, 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 la. More volume? Yeah, it does. Yes, it does. Yeah, this one's oh my home is back to $1. So that resistance at $1.10 could not break above. And NEXI does need more volume. So here comes that retest of the 200 if it can consolidate. ADTX is one that we've talked about a little bit. That 340 support, 340, 330. And it finally popped this morning all the way up to 490. And then came back down. Where the hell is SPY going? See, honestly, Christo, I have no idea where the S&P is going. Wow, look at that damn thing. Isn't that crazy? We just keep pumping, we just keep going and going and going and going. Like we're gonna open above yesterday's high. It's oh my goodness, look at it go. 513 almost there, Crazy, isn't it? My goodness. Maybe we go test a double top there and then come back down. That's crazy. La, 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 la. Good morning, Pyros. Good morning. Oh yeah, it's going for it, Christo. The future is now. It is, isn't it? That's wild. Someone had some spy calls. Yeah, like the S&P just been pumping. The craziest position though is Dan's position. Dan bought those calls. He bought some 530 spy calls like 2 months ago, 3 months ago. They don't expire till June. So he went all the way out. Well, SPY was at 4 something at the time, 450, 460, 470. And it's been going. And Dan is up like 2,000% on those calls. And he's just holding them. And the market just keeps ripping. So impressive, isn't it? Very impressive. Very impressive. So we have 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Yeah, no, he's up nicely on those calls already. Yep. Ayo, Kimbella. Ahmed, hello. Hello. Okay, they got rid of those. I just need to make sure I'm ready to go. Ready to go. Shiba Inu, Alex, what about it? What's your question? Hello, Ness. Hello. Oh, I see. Well, it's been rocketing though. It's been rocketing. I just want to see what the. Okay, there we go. Yeah, this one's still selling off. Yeah. Zero, yeah, zero came back to the 200. It seems like it's holding it for now. Seems like it's holding for now, which is good, which is all we wanted, anyways, right? Zero, come back down and retest the 200. So now the question is, can we bounce off that level as we go into the open? On watch for sure. On watch, as long as we stay above $10. Alrighty, sales is still pumping. So sales looks like it finally compressed a bit, the spread, at $6 and then popped 680. It's a really nice push. Yeah, it's a really nice push. Are you in sales? Or what are you asking for, Pyros? You guys are. Let's see. Is it going to plummet at the open? Well, watch the 200. Watch the 200 here. If you can stay above $10, I've said this. We say this all the time. Like when we're getting into the open, or when we're getting to the open, you should expect a sell off, right? That should be your base case, right? Expect sell offs. People usually take profits at the open. In this case, it might be different because we've gone from 28 all the way back down to $10. But now I would be watching the 200 there. 3 a.m. stream. Crypto? Not happening. Not happening. Na 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 na. Not happening. Na 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 na. Anything else? Yeah, Mets. Yeah, Mets is back to 17 actually. $17. Okay. LYT is still stalling at the supply zone there. Ayo, Dan. Same, Dan. Same. We were just talking about your S&P your SPY calls, Dan. Your SPY calls for June. Okay, we have 5 minutes. EPOW. No. Okay. EPOW. This thing looks like wants to break that supply zone, doesn't it? Look at that, 340% for this one. Sales is pumping now. So my goodness, that thing said bye bye. 788. $8. 68% at that rate. It looks like my home is holding $1. Yeah. Interesting. Yeah. Again, that's why I'm asking for your, like, Pyrus. Are you in a position, or you're looking for a position? It's tough to get into a position when it's pumping like that. Dan, no comments. Is CERO, is it dead? Well, again, like, the market hasn't even opened yet, and you're asking me if the stock is dead, right? What do you want me to say? That it's dead? And the stock is also up 300%, right? So, yeah. So again, let the market open, let it sell off if it wants to, let it consolidate, and then see if it can give you the levels, right? So, yeah, Mets is doing really well into the open there. Maybe NEXI can take. Uh, Good morning, Virgo. Good morning. Good morning. Awesome. There you go, Pyrus. Don't go red. Don't go red. Don't go red. So you're up $1,000 already, and the market isn't open yet, Pyros. So don't lose the monies. Good morning, Bernard. Okay, we have 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Good morning, Qualin. The most disrespectful way. Well, I don't know what that means, but anyways, it just sounds interesting. Yeah, no, Lids is just stalling there, so maybe after the open. Thank you very much, Swami. Thank you for doing that. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Alrighty, so we'll try and stay on for as long as we can. Yeah, the more I talk, the more headaches I get. So, anyways, we'll stay on for a little bit, and then we're gonna go back to Discord and just go relax. Alrighty, so smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat. We keep joking about like, oh, come join us in Discord. Come join us in Discord. What's his name? John joined Discord yesterday for the first time and made $4,000. Not even kidding. Just joined Discord and made $4,000. And we had to beg him to come to Discord. Like, come join us, John. Come join us. He's like, but what do you guys have in Discord? And then joins Discord and then makes $4,000 in one day, less than a day, less than 2 hours. So again, Vance probably. So if you're not a member yet, yeah, John killed it yesterday for the first day in Discord, crushed it. So stop missing out because you are missing out. Good morning, Paige. Captain Kronos, what's up? What's up? That don't happen every day. Well, la 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 la. 75 for 19, short squeeze potential, ballistic. Anyways, let's see what happens at the open there. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, Freedom. I think you just need to upgrade to the level that says Discord, because I think your membership is for a lower level. Anyways, that thing looks like it's kind of popping off the 200. The market just opened, so let's see what happens here. Markets open. Mm, hmm. Let's see. Let me pick a different. One second. uh, hmm. Interesting. Cool. Uh, yeah, I made over 100. Just trying to work the Discord. Let's go. Let's go. Anyways, yeah. So for now, CERO is still playing games. So be careful there. You know what's not playing games? It looks like it sells. Last high in pre-market was $9, so it's sitting right there. Sitting right there. Sitting right there. Lit is getting entered a little bit, right? So obviously that thing was sitting at resistance going into the open, anyways. So that's a bit of a problem. Yeah, and then yeah. Before, yeah, no, he made some really nice monies. Some nice monies. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness, look at Lit's go. Lit said, "Are you doubting me?" My goodness. I need to close out something else here. La, 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 la. And Lit is halted at $11. Lit's halted. Yep. Halted. That's wild. Okay, let's see. Why is that scanner not working? Not working the way I would like. Interesting. Okay. Once and you're happy, T. Yeah, don't worry, you get it. You shall get it. What's the S&P at? SPY popped all the way to 513.30. My goodness. And I bet you we just keep hitting new highs all day today. CERO still kind of playing games here, so let's see where that thing actually consolidates at. Oh my, oh home, anything? Well, just watch a dollar for now. Watch a dollar for now, alrighty. Med still looks okay, actually. I think it's because they actually have a catalyst coming up, right? The dividend, even though it's, we can call it scammy, it's still a catalyst. So yeah, sales still halted there. So sales and lit both halted. Fun is going. Okay. Ooh, that's a nice little pop. That's fun on the left hand side there, bunny. Yeah, that's a nice rally. It's a nice rally. Impressive. Yep. Let's see. Okay, I just had to close a little scalpy there. Closed. Sweet. BTC is going up. Yeah, we really haven't talked about Bitcoin this morning. It's because it's still in that range and it still looks really good. Like Bitcoin looks really good still, right? BTC is at almost 60, 68 now. So, yep, it looks really good. There's really not a whole lot to say. It just looks nice, right? So the only thing we can really look at is pull up the 4 hour time frame again, like we usually do, and just go through the levels, right? But we know where we need to go to. Like we need to get back above that 40, that 69, and then stay there. So we talked about this last week. Well, actually, early this week. See, I'm telling you, like my so when Bitcoin hit that 69, obviously all time highs, right? All the way at the very top, right? 69. So when that thing was dipping, all we had to pay attention to was this level right there, right? This was the range we initially had before the breakout. So when Bitcoin is dipping, what do we pay attention to? We pay attention to this zone. As long as the candles close in that zone, above that level, we're fine, right? So we went sideways, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and then eventually broke out. So when it comes down, you just wanted to close at the bottom of that range, and it did, right? And then now it's going back for the highs again. So 69, send it, right? So yeah, it looks good. So again, like I said, there's really not a whole lot to look at for Bitcoin for now. We're just hoping that it goes back to the tippity 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 tops, you know, tippity 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 tops. La, 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 la. I wish there was a way to like save positions that you don't execute on, so you can come back. You know. So that I don't have to keep going back and forth. Anyway, sales are still halted and so is LYT. So Mets looks really good actually, slow and steady. And the S&P is just sending it, guys, just sending it, right? So maybe we push all the way to that 14 again, Dan. Are you gonna sell those calls or you're just gonna keep them? Dan is just diamond handing those calls and they're printing. NVIDIA all-time highs. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? Wild. Let's see here. Yeah, no, CERO looks like it's trying to bounce off. Yeah, it looks like it's trying to consolidate off $7, and then it's already back above 8. So already back above Z8s. Agree. What about that thing is all over the place, so be careful. The chain on some of these are not that appealing. Not that appealing. Strength to bounce, isn't it? Meh. Okay. What happened to Ukraine? Yeah, it's holding 7 for now, which is good. Yeah, Bitcoin broke above 68 for a second. I'm surprised these two things are still halted. Has it? Okay, it really hasn't been that long. I think it's the morning and we expect violence, but yeah, it really hasn't been that long. Yeah, CERO is almost back to 9. Almost back to the 9s. Yeah. Dale, Mind Medicine is having a good morning. I'll take a look. Do you see a huge buy for 13? I would ignore that for now. It most likely will gap up, but trade honestly. Are you in the position already? Let me know. 113, 580s. Isn't that crazy, Dan? It's not crazy. You can go out as far as you want, and yet print. Wild, right? So I wonder if we sell off tomorrow, like because Powell seems to be coming on and the market is loving it, right? Because he's telling the market exactly what it wants to hear. Kick the can is what he's saying. I wonder when he's done today again, we sell off like we did yesterday, or Friday into the weekend. We'll see. We shall see. Yeah, no, BTC hit a little bit of supply at 68. A little bit of supply. Cells is unhalted, guys, and it's on fire. There goes another stock that's up 100%. Sheesh. Monster. Absolute monster. My goodness, the bot is on just on fire today. Waiting for it. Okay. Hmm. Let's see. PBM. Sure, I can take a look. Lit is unhalted as well, so that thing popped all the way to 1350. So your 13 was pretty close, but yeah, um, pretty dang close. There goes 12 again, 1260. There goes $13. Lit is lit. Lit is lit. There are a whole bunch of you guys holding this thing in the in the low single digits. So congratulations, right? This stock was getting spammed in Discord yesterday as well. Getting spammed. So especially last night. Especially last night. La, 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 la. So if you're still in there, congratulations. I just had to go back and check, but do you guys think I in for money? Your entry was 7.99 for zero. I mean, it's not. I wish you were in closer to $7. So just make sure you have a plan, please, because that thing is all over the place. All over the place. You need a double bottom around $7, or it's problems. So I'm hoping for you that it stays above $7. Yeah, it's looking. Yeah, there goes. Right. So you kind of FOMOed into that thing, Carter. Again, come join us in Discord. Right. Come join us in Discord. Let me pull up PBM. So we talked about PBM last. Was it Friday and Sunday? Right. So PBM. Um, Sunday, I think we talked about this one because again they had a catalyst coming up. If my thing will show up, okay, there we go. So, I mean, it's done really well. The level we wanted to see break above was at 68 cents or 60 cents, right? So from 60 cents all the way to $1.20, that's a pretty nice run, right? So again, this was posted in Discord, PBM, and look at that, CERO's halted down, right? So you have issues from 1,000%, from up 1,000% to halted down at 158, right? So careless Carter, you just lost more money than it cost to be in Discord, right? Whereas you might have played that thing the first time it rallied instead of FOMOing now when it's crashing, right? So yeah, anyways, Lids is still playing around with that 13 and the supply zone, and the S&P sold off. Surprise, not really, not really. Surprise, surprise, spy. Surprise, surprise. Is so yeah, CERO's halted down $6.58. So hopefully that thing opens and consolidates at some point. I hate when stocks are giving lows like this though. Uh, just not the type of stuff I like to play with. Just not my style. As soon as you go below the double bottom, it's like whatever. Bye. Uh, 11 for lit. Okay, like a retest and a bounce. Okay, a retest and a bounce. Choo, choo, choo. Let's get to 100 likes, guys. So if you haven't smashed a like, 30 more people smash a like. So if you haven't smashed a like yet, I would really appreciate that if you could take a second and smash a like. Really appreciate it. Hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you want to join us in Discord, again, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots, and come join us as Dan already. Um, Love it. Anyways, let me look at NEXI. La 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 la. Yeah, NEXI has been slowly creeping up. Very nice. Very, very nice. So we can say we didn't miss this thing, we just didn't get in, which is annoying because we looked at it. But may reverse soon. Yeah, let's see what happens when it gets unhalted. See what happens. See what happens. It's just a little bit complicated when it hits new lows like that because the and then halts down. The selling volume might reverse and then go the opposite way. Dale, I'll take a look. I keep wanting to look at that thing. I just haven't. Anyways, yeah, Nexi just had a pop. Nexi's at 920 now. So yeah, Ocean is making a push. Yeah, there's a list that Pablo posted in Discord, and a lot of these names are coming from the same list, from the same DSPAC list, which is nice that you have a list to look at, right? So yeah, Pablo posted a list last night, and Ocean was on that list, and this morning it's bouncing, which is very interesting. Lit is holding the 9 EMA for now, Justin. So if we can stay above that, and then obviously sells is halted down, halted down, halted down. La, 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 la. Let's go, Kenny. Welcome to the community. Welcome, 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 welcome. Yeah, I mean, like, so we left the stream yesterday at after an hour of streaming or so, and the market took off. Like people printed monies, everything was pumping as soon as we got off the stream. So we're not always going to be on stream. And a lot of the plays that have moved this morning have been off stream. So that's why we say it's good to have a community. Otherwise, you're sitting there on your own and you're like, what's pumping? I don't know what's pumping. Well, people are spamming something somewhere else, right? Look at that. Gail made again. Gail got into zero at 10, sold at $20, made monies, and the damn thing is halted at unhalted now at $6. So while people are panicking and the red, Gail made monies already, and the market wasn't even open. So let's see what happens. Kind of looks like it's holding here now, doesn't it? So like the selling pressures died off a little bit, but let's see. Yeah, it's still still trending down though. Still trending down. Where's the support? I'll take a look. I'll take a look. I just want to see if this thing can find a way to consolidate. It's really not. I don't know if there's anything. There really is, and like there are no other levels we can look at, right? No levels at all we can really be looking at here. That thing is just getting ends at. Ocean is halted. Yeah, let me go back. So BREA. Let me look at BREA first, and then we can come back to this other one. Then we can come back to the other one. Let's see. Okay. What's your position in BREA? Um, T. What's your position? Where is that? You're just looking for support and resistance? Okay. Well, one thing I don't like about this stock for now. Ooh, that's a nice pop. Dang it, missed it. It's a very, very nice pop. Oh yeah, that's a nice, nice, nice pop. Wasn't paying attention. Anyways, good morning, Emer. Good morning. Anyways, in terms of support for now, I'd be looking at the lows of the day. Honestly, that's it. Like I'd be looking at the low of the day there, $1.93. I'd be looking for anywhere close to that level already. And then for your resistance, yeah, you have resistance at $2.10. Just had to close that out. You don't have one, yeah. So look for as close to again, below $2. Unless you dip and then get a higher low at $2, and then maybe, or just a breakout. So that thing needs to clear $2.10 and stay above it. CERO is bouncing. So it looks like $6 was the 580. $6 was the magic level. Jim, did you FOMO? Did you FOMO, Jim? Ooh. La 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 la. Sales is still halted there. Litz, yeah, Litz is looking for baby Jesus. In the perfect world, that thing would dip to $10 and just consolidate and then curl back up. But yeah, stuff like this you can scalp. Like stuff like CERO, you can scalp. Like when you see it hitting like these major levels, you can scalp it really quickly and then run. Scalp quick and run. 11. Okay, you want 13. Okay, sounds good. Your entry is a little bit in the mix in the in the chaos zone, but yeah, there goes a drop, right? So 1060. 1060. Yeah, at least it's playing with that level over and over though. So that's BREA for you, T. 140 sold at 165 small position. Okay, sounds good. And then Ocean was halted. Yep. I need to pull up that list of that list actually, and then so we can take a look, or we can look when we go back to Discord. But yeah, that was a nice little breakout at 420 for Ocean. It's unhalted now, so unhalted. What did we hit yesterday? Okay, 590. Anyways, when you see stuff like that, it would be nice if it came back to retest the 9 EMA and then bounced. Otherwise, you take a bigger risk than you would want buying at the top. Bigger risk than you would like. Uh, One sec. 20. Okay. What's NEXI doing? Yeah, NEXI sold off from 930. So at the bottom of the supply zone, it sold off. And you're back in the green, Justin. So I guess the bottom of these candles at 1060. Okay. And that's the thing with these crazy stocks is you're trying to pick out levels, but for the most part, you're guessing. Just because they're so volatile. The one good thing you can take out of this is when you start to see these higher lows, that's a good thing. Or like at the bottom of the candles, like the wicks, that's a good thing. So yep. It's a good thing. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, it really is volatile. Ocean is going back to the highs of the day here. I mean, you can see how quickly these candles are moving, though, right? Like it's all over the place. All over the place. Groom is moving up a little bit. Okay. I can tell today's going to be another crazy day. So, GROM. Yeah, CERO's. I would like to see CERO get back above the 9 and just consolidate above it and then go for another run. Cells is getting NTAT. NTAT. And we're back to $11 here. So I still think everything is in that weird phase, which it was. The same thing happened yesterday, right? So we market opens, you get a whole bunch of volatility, and then you go through a weird phase, and then eventually one of these stocks will become the stock of the day. Eventually, right? So that's why a lot of people avoid the first hours because you can get a lot of like just chaos, and then you can pick the wrong one, right? So you pick the wrong one. Zero's ooh, that's a nice pop for zero. Zero. There goes $8. Carter, are you back to a possible comeback? Yeah, it's pumping. You're still in at $9. You said, right? I mean, you're only down 50 cents now, so you went to $6 unless you took the loss. Down another 7%. Yeah, that thing is a scam. Big scam. A big scam. La, 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 la. You got in at 680. Okay, well, you're up $1 now, so that's good. Again, with stuff like this, you have to make those decisions really quickly. Like, am I holding this? Am I taking my monies and running really quickly, or where's my stop loss at the very least? Yeah, sales is getting NSAT for sure. Again, some of these names have to die. The volume has to go to one or two names, and then we can party for the rest of the day. Can I turn the music down a little bit? Is it too loud? Okay, I turned it down a little bit. It's too loud. Yeah, lids for sure doesn't look like it's done yet, Justin, which is good. La, 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 la. Oh yeah, highs of the day for GROM. GROM. Yep, that's a nice little breakout. $1.30. It's not the quickest moving stock, but nice little breakout. That would be one super chat, please and thank you. Just kidding. Please and thank you. Uh, Bushbell. Can't get your mind off it. Who's Aaron Bushbell? What the hell is that? uh, did you spell it right, or am I just reading it wrong? Uh, Bushnell or Bushbell? I think you mean like. Anyways, I don't like the words I'm seeing, so I'm gonna kindly delete that page. Kindly delete the damn page. I don't like what I'm seeing. Don't like it at all. Uh, a retest of the demand zone. Hmm. $12. Yeah, there you go. It's nothing crazy. Look at that pop, and then right back down. Okay. Well, At the very least, though, like I said, it doesn't look like it's done, Justin, which is good, which is good. Look at that, it's back to 11 again. So the wicks on some of these, crazy, crazy, crazy. La, la, la. What about fives? Interesting. Music now? Okay, thank you. Yeah, just let me know when the music is loud, because I don't know, it's different on my end. Plus, then I don't hear myself talking to myself, you know. But so yeah, let me know if it's too loud. Yeah, I think you might. Yeah, look at that thing right now. Now it's dropping below. Now it's dropping well below $11, which is annoying for you. Which is very very annoying for you. 30s. You have a little pivot at like 1060. So that last dip was 1060, and it looks like it's bouncing up 1060 again. So hopefully that's it. Hopefully that's it. Yeah. La, 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 la. How's it looking at 6 a.p.m.? I am not sure. Let's take a look. Are you in a position, Nas? Because $6 would have been nice. It's no longer at $6 though. Uh, I don't like where it's sitting at for now because you're closer to resistance than you are to support. So not a fan of that level. UK. Ooh, what these stupid China stocks. Huh. Is that thing going to the demand zone or scamming? Interesting. it's uh, it's one of those stupid stocks, Vance. But honestly, though, when you look at you can always tell the level that the volume comes in at, right? And it's always a breakout. Like if you look at like UK, you can kind of see that pivot at the top there, and it's just sitting there and sitting there and sitting there, and then the volume kicks in right there on the breakout, right? And then gone skis. So yeah, not bad at all. The APM has been a nice swing. So it's APM is not gone, PBM is not gone, but it has been a nice swing. So it's not gone though. But yeah, it's done really well. Exactly, Vance. Exactly. Uh, hmm, interesting levels. Yeah, no, that's the best thing to do. Just set alerts and then forget about it. And if it hits the breakout, then cool. Cells is still getting destroyed here, but it's testing the 50 EMA, so $6.20. Let's see if we can stay above that level at least. Stay above that at least. Doo-doo-doo. La, 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 la. Not gonna lie though, being off the stream and scalping and just chilling in Discord and scalping was fun. It was fun. You know. Anyways, because a lot of the times, like I will avoid stuff that I like, just because I don't want to be in a sticky situation. But yeah, who would have thought that being sick would be a good thing? you know. Then you just sit back and yeah, and just do scalpies. La la la. And low float DP. Okay, I'll take a look. I know we looked at it earlier, but I'll take a look. Here we go. We have to yeah, no, don't worry. There's nothing else. There's nothing else. Nothing else I'd rather be. Roger, thank you very much. Thank you. There's nothing else I'd rather be doing. Obviously, if yeah, but still, Dad. Yeah, right. Yeah, you just feel like rubbish, but there's there's no nothing else I'd rather be doing. So I thank you guys. Thank you guys very much. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, it's looking for double bottom, which is what I'm looking at. So around $6, it's looking for double bottom. Yeah, it found a double bottom and then popped. Dang. So it's just looking for double bottom, which is exactly what you want to see actually. You just want to see higher lows or double bottoms for CERO. Yeah, double bottoms for Ocean. Yeah, yeah, it's kind of consolidating off like $4 and just about 460 ish. Oh yeah, CERO is finding a nice little bottom for now, right? Like a double bottom in the demand zone, which is again what I always look for. When like bouncing off a level once is cool, but that's not good enough. So uh, yeah. So yes, yes, yes. Let's go, William. Let's go. Don't forget to smash a like again, guys, if you haven't. Smash a like, hit that subscribe, all the other fun stuff. And yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, let me look at the scanner here one more time. Come on, 10 more people smash a like. Let's get to 100. 10 more, 10 more, 10 more. How do you get sick when you don't come out of the shop? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. That's the problem because I don't go out enough. Too much time sitting on the computer, Too much time staring at lights. Not good, not good. So I will. I promise. I will go. I will. Once the weather warms up, I'm gonna be outside like every day. Like 30 minutes of walking every single day. Who am I kidding? Who the hell am I kidding? Outside for 30 minutes? Lord have mercy. Rubbish. Anyways, um, but yes, that's the summer mission. Summer mission. Anyways, I like what CERO is doing there, holding that bottom. So if we can get back above the 9 and just consolidate, that might be a good thing. Good thing, good thing. Yeah, it's breaking down, isn't it? So let's see if we can retest $10 and just consolidate for a second and then bounce. Lit. NEXI, yeah, NEXI got entered. So watch for 740 there for NEXI. Demand zone 200 EMA. There goes CERO back to 7. Ooh, there it is. So CERO is doing exactly what we wanted to do. 30 minutes of walking outside. Yes, Jax, I need to do that. Yep, you're right. I need to be to be dedicated to the to spending time outside. Anyway, so yeah, that's a nice higher low ish double bottom, right? Oh come on, Dale. Well, yeah, 2 weeks of summer in Edmonton. No, we have more than 2 weeks. Be nice. Be nice. We have more than 2 weeks. We have hot. Well, I'm not moving to someplace else in Canada. I'm just gonna move to Arizona instead. Um, Instead of moving to another place in Canada. 3 weeks. Well, not if I live somewhere else. Anyways, more like 8 weeks, Gil. Rubbish. We have nice weather sometimes. Yeah, that thing bounced really nicely there. Was it Freebo? Freebo, you mentioned that curl. Yeah, nice little curl. No, 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 no. Yeah, Justin. Yeah, nice little curl. Our stock has been an absolute monster. Absolute monster. Yeah, there goes. Wait. Let me take a look at the other one here. Oh, my home is also trying to curl up 90 cents. I don't like that it's below the. I don't like that it's below the 200. But let's see. TC. Hmm. Rubbish. Anyways, let's stop looking at that. 513. Easy is brutal. 105 degrees to 120 is still hot. I don't mind hot actually. I don't mind hot. I grew up in hot, so hot is okay. La, 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 la. Is Cell still okay? Yeah, Lit is really getting entered there. My goodness, maybe a retest of the 200. Keep dropping zero. Zero said, "Ooh, I'm gonna come back to the same bottom again." So we need some consolidation for one of these two names. Are you still in this thing, Justin? Are you still in Lit, or you sold already? Exactly. Focus. Exactly. It, is not used to heat anymore. Yeah, you're probably right. Issue with okay. Wild. uh, all that are dry. No moisture at all. He will stay inside because it's too hot. Oh, rubbish. No, I won't. I like warm weather. I like the heat. I think. La 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 la. Ocean back down. Yup. Mets has been the hidden criminal, slowly curling. ADTX. Oh my goodness, look at that. ADTX went from being up. ADTX is such a stupid stock. Such a silly stock. That thing went from deep green to red. Nope. 650. NEXI down zero. Zero is retesting and still holding that level. So if we can stay above this demand zone for zero, that might be a good thing. Last summer, 119 4 times. Sheesh. What's 119 to Celsius? Somebody else do the math. 7 7. Oh, you want 7? Okay. $7. Almost need that thing to get back above the 9 on the kernel. La, 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 la. Yeah, lids with a nice little bounce off the VWAP. Off the VWAPs. Interesting. There goes 1050. Swin. It's moving of holo. Okay. 50 cents, Justin. 50 cents. 50 cents AISP. Yeah, it's slowly recovering some of those losses. Slowly. Anyways, yeah, Swin. Let me look. Swin. Yeah, Swin is halted down. Halted down. Mm, okay. Let's give it another 10 minutes or so, guys. 5 to 10 minutes, and then we can hop off and go back to Discord. You can tell though that the market is just stabilizing now, right? Like things are starting to, and then something is going to take off. Something is going to take off, and that's going to be the stock of the day, right? So everything just seems a bit fishy for now. Lits selling off, looking for support. Sales looking for support. Zero looking for support. So one of these things will take off at some point, right? It's only been what, an hour? Well, it's only been like 45 minutes past that, but yeah. So soon, something will take off. Something will take off. Uh, Jim, where do you live? Have you ever been to Arizona? Have I ever been to Arizona, Jeff? Yeah. Come to Massachusetts, all 4 seasons, and the ocean. I don't know if I want all 4 seasons though. Actually, you went skiing, Jeff. That would be a meh. La 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 la. Yep. That's where you live. Okay, just outside of Oh, okay, cool, very cool. Let me pull that one up, Jeff. Jay, mind medicine, cool, 50%. Just watch for 890. 890 to $9 for potential breakout. Are you in it, Jay? Are you inside? Yeah, lit is still slowly bouncing there. 1060. Slowly and then right back down. Maybe a double bottom, Justin. I would say come to Philly, but it's horrible. Okay, never mind. Uh, okay, due to okay rent increases, Jim. Okay. La, la. Yeah, you're close. You're only 30 cents away here. You're 20 cents away now. So you're 15 cents away now. So are you gonna? And then it said back down. Yeah, I know what you mean by getting nervous. But it's also hot, Texas. Yeah, I've seen some of those crazy numbers. I wish it was easier to how like, anyways. And there goes the drop. There goes the drops. You got back in at $1.81. Oh my goodness! Look at that breakout there for my medicine. Jay, I don't know if you said if you were in it. I hope you're in it, Jay. Another scalpy? Okay. Well done. Ryan, what's your position in PBM? Let me know. Give me some details. So now you almost want that thing to just stay above $9 if you're in it. Yeah, buy medicine with a really nice curl and pop. CERO's done a really good job holding $6, hasn't it? Right. So it looks like it's building a nice base for now. Anywhere close to $6 to 580. So if you're playing with it, just make sure it stays above that zone. Because if it doesn't, then you have a problem. Yeah, if you have a question, just give me as much detail as possible, please. 2 hour drive? Okay. Uh, Jim doesn't like all the people coming to AZ. Isn't that crazy, Lion? Crazy, crazy, right? What's the S&P at now? Spy's going for all-time highs. Spy's going for all-time highs. Uh, Either for all-time highs or just a nice double top. To the job with the generator so I can charge my batteries. Come with it, but Jim, you guys are like sassy salty. Oh my goodness, zero just popped. That was a nice pop. You wanted $7. There's your $7. Yeah, that was a nice base, wasn't it? So CERO $6, nice. So again, like I said, you don't have to FOMO into these things at the open. Just wait for that thing to start to, give you that support. Right? Is it halted up? No, it's not. It just seemed like it glitched for a second. Like it glitched for a second. LYT is potentially retesting, right? These things always retest. Just like CERO has. Right? CERO bounced off 6, popped, and then retested. And if we can find a way to hold, then people get excited. Salty, yeah, it's done really well. So it's done really well. Around the country, we just decided to go. Yeah, Gail, sounds like a good idea. Sounds like a good idea. Hmm. There goes my medicine. New highs of the day. New highs. It's impressive. Mm. Interesting. Okay. There goes mind medicine. Congratulations, Jay. By the way, good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. La, 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 la. Anyways, yeah. Let me know if you have any last questions, guys, and then we're gonna hop off and go back to Discord. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. La, la, la. Ohio. La la. You're looking for APM support? Okay. The S&P is crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. APM. I think you're in this one. You're in this one, right, Nas? This one looks a bit fishy to me just because of where it's sitting at. Oh, I'd be looking for like $6.30 is what I'd be looking for. Um, or the other thing that you can look at, just because of again just a psychological level, you can look at 650. So 650 and then 630. Those would be the two levels I look at. Uh, Come up and I'm leaving. Then I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Uh, how he sounds like he's not he's not prepared today, Jeff. You're in at 6. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, just don't go red then. Don't go red, please and thank you. Hmm, interesting. Good morning, Troy. You're welcome, Ness. Uh, yeah, that's a good question. This can be the last question of the day. What's something in your portfolio that everybody's gonna say Nvidia now? Nvidia and Amazon, Tesla. Yeah, AG. Okay, AG. Yeah. Last question. What's a stock that's in your long term portfolio that you are IBITS? IBITS. IBITS. Yeah, BTC ETFs. BTC ETFs. Mullen. It better not be Mullen. I'm gonna change your password, Lion. USA. Yeah, USA has done really well for you. Really, really well, Josh. Amazon. Amazon. Rubbish. Mullen. Na, 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 na. Huh. DTIO. Okay. Mullins. Anyways, yeah, there are a few names to watch. Latest back to retesting $10. Yeah, so let's see what happens here, Justin. See if that thing can find a way to hold and double bottoms ish. See if it can hold. Okay. Two. Perfect. And there goes your lids double bottom there, 1027. So it looks like again, there's always that retest, right? As hard as I can. Yeah, there's always that retest. Always, always, always. So it looks like a nice bounce of the. You see the little lime green line that goes across? That's just the view app. So it looks like it's bouncing off that level at least. See, it's like I mentioned earlier, same thing that happened with CERO, right? The retest. Now you just need to stay above that level. Otherwise, you're in trouble because it just keeps going back and forth now. Back and forth. Anyways, we're gonna leave it here for today, though, guys. Thank you all very much. Really appreciate it. Be safe. We're gonna be in Discord. Nothing. We're just not talking. We're just gonna be in Discord, looking at all these plays. So if you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord. Click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot, and then send me an email once you do. Email at the top there, hotradesx@gmail. But yeah, if you're not a member, you're missing out. Missing out. You're gonna miss the next 1,000% runner again. Alrighty. So again, thank you all very much. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Take a nap. Feel better. Thank you very much, Dan. I'll try. It's hard to nap when the market is open, though. Hard to nap. Hard to nap. Yes. So again, if you're not in Discord, you're missing out. Don't know what to tell you. Thank you very much, Justin. Hot slots. Jay. Let's go, Crystal. Kimbella. Thank you. Mo, see you in Discord. Daniel, thank you very much. Alrighty, guys. Bye, guys. Thanks, Jay.